Guys, we're gonna show you how to insert a template in Obsidian, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So first of all, open Obsidian and head over to this tab and just click on the create new folder icon. It shows new templates, and now just click on plus new note. Name it, for example, to do. Add your text here, template text. Now head over to settings and click on templates, and add your to-do file here under the templates folder, and click on settings here from templates. Select the folder templates that you just created. Add date format, for example, years and date, and here for the time, just click time, and you should be good to go, guys. You should click in your note. We can just select templates here, click on insert template, and choose the to-do template, and here it is. The to-do template has been successfully added to your note. And that's it, guys. If you found the video, don't forget to like, subscribe.